can call me Aami. Welcome to Aami's Color World. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Dora the Explorer by easy steps. Let's draw Dora the Explorer. We need an A4 size paper, an HB pencil, an eraser, a marker, and crayons, erasable crayons. This is Faber Castell Erasable Crayons. First we have to make a light line at the center of the paper, like this. Do not make the line dark. Now at the center of the line, we are making another horizontal line and draw lighter lines as follows. I am not using a marker at first because if I make a mistake, I have to discard the paper. Here I can use a eraser to rub it. Now we are going to draw the face of Dora. You have to draw a curved line like this. And at the top also. Now the hair. Now make a line like this to draw the eyes. Small curved line. I think now we can make it darker. These light lines help me to make perfect dark lines. Now we can draw her body. Now the legs. have finished the drawing. Now I am using the marker. Now, how easy it is. Now I have completed the outline with the marker. I am going to erase all the unwanted lines. Let's start coloring. I am using orange as the skin tone. How's my drawing? Do you like it?
Hi friends, how was my Dora? Is it cool? If you like my channel, please subscribe, comment and like. Turn on your notification for new videos.